Show you how to change the key battery. This one is for a Nissan. What you're going to need is the Phillips screwdriver and then a straight slotted screwdriver. And then what you're going to do is you're going to turn the key to the back side, and you can see right here it says Nissan. What you're going to do is you're just going to take your screwdriver and you're going to unscrew this. Make sure, and I already started this, but make sure that you have the right size screwdriver. You don't want to strip that screw and then you're in tough shape. So now that you've done that, you're going to turn the key, and towards the front where the key is, you're going to see this little crack. You're just going to stick your straight screwdriver in there. Once it's in there, you're just going to twist and it will pop open. Pop that battery out. This battery is a CR1620 battery. Take your new battery, you're just going to turn it upside down in the same position. You're going to pop that in, and then you're just going to turn your key back to itself, line it up, and you're going to have to push fairly hard on this to get this. And you should hear it snap. Snapped it back in. It's tight all around. Check it before you tighten that screw down. Make sure you got the battery in the right way, and make sure that the battery is working. Hopefully this helped. Please like and subscribe. For a Nissan.